Kyle Walker had a problem. He was taken to court by the mother of his child, Lauren, and she wanted him to pay £1.35 million for a new house, £75,000 to furnish that house, £96,000 a year on child maintenance, and £33,000 on baby costs, which includes a hospital bag that was Louis Vuitton that cost over $3,000, and a baby changing bag that was Fendi that cost over £1,500. To make it even worse for Kyle, he had been in a relationship with another woman for 12 years, and they had 3 kids together. So, Kyle definitely had a problem. Oh yeah, and his mistress had over £300,000 in debts, and she wanted Kyle to clear it all. She said this was largely due to the baby, but the court found Lauren's spending habits troublesome. 2 months before the final hearing, Lauren spent £48,000. The court asked her why she had been spending so much. She replied, "I can't leave him in clothes that don't fit and with toys that don't stimulate him, and there's good sales on in January." Not only this, she spent $11,000 on taking her family on holiday and gave her mom £2,000 a month on childcare. But the judge was not having it, stating, I quote, "Interested in achieving the luxury lifestyle she always aspired to. It's no interest to any baby in having Louis Vuitton and Fendi." Ultimately, she viewed as Kyle Walker will end up paying the bill, so just splash out. Kyle was ordered to pay £5,000 a month in child maintenance and to pay £130,000 towards her legal fees. But Lauren said she needed at least £11,000 a month just to get by, so she spent another £70,000 on appealing the verdict, and she ended up getting £8,000 a month from Kyle Walker on child maintenance. She told the judge Kyle was punishing her by giving her so little, but the judge replied, "This is a complete fantasy based on you not taking responsibility for spending like there's no tomorrow." Previously, she was found guilty of benefit fraud where she got over £20,000. She told the court she made a mistake filling the form out, and her mom and dad were going through a divorce. The judge found Kyle to be straightforward and honest, and had genuine regret that he will not be able to be a part of his child's life. Shortly after, Kyle got married to his long-term partner, and they had their 4th child together, but she wasn't the only one that had a child. Lauren got pregnant again, and Kyle Walker was the dad again. So now they're back in court, and doing it all over again. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here.